easy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover.
Hi YouTube family, this is Aliska coming back live again. I want to show you an easy way that I have found to repair or to lock these locks together. I know I uploaded a video before showing you how I go in and out with my tool. But now, after playing with my hair, I don't want to lose this strand. So most of the time people cut, like if they have two strands of locks coming out of one strand, this was a very, very thin one. So what I did is I took them and connected them together. And you see they have grown together up until this point, and they still have a little bit to go. So versus having two locks split up like this coming out of one lock, I could either cut this off and add it to another lock that's short, or I can just take this and close it up. So let me show you what I do now. So this is my new trick. So I take them and I twist them with each other until I get to the edge. And you want to make sure that as you're twisting it, you are twisting, making it a tight twist. So that's why it's kind of taking me long to go down this strand of hair, down this lock. So I'm tightening it as I twist it. And once I finish twisting it, I'm going to use the dreadlock tool and I'm going to lock them together. So that's when I'll actually like do the repair, because most of the time, I mean, a lot of people do different things. Some people glue their hair together after they have put them together, put the two strands together, but I don't want glue in my hair. So I'd rather do it more natural way. So I don't have any white glue in my hair. I'm not sure what color. Guess you can use hair glue too, but I don't want to do that. So I made it into one braid, one strand. So I'm going to start right here at the base. And I'm going to use the tool with the 3 braids, the crochet tool. And I'm just going to go in and out until I get to the end of the braid. You have to really be careful with this. I have so many cuts on my finger when I do this. And this is me just trying to push the locks inside of each other. And that's what I'm doing now. And I just go down the braid until I get to the edge. And I just go in and out. Use the crochet hook until they are connected. Let me go to the very tip. And so this is my new trick, because at first I was just holding them side by side, and it seemed like that took a really long time. Voila, look at that. I'm done. And so if you want to go back through it, you can. And I don't have to worry about any pieces coming loose. And so periodically when I find two that have the split ends like that, I go through it and I just pull it. And so like that little piece just came off, because again, this is the crochet hooks are very sharp, have like a little blade on them. So I just go in and out just to make sure they are hooked inside of each other. And so this was a little trick that I did the other day. And so now look at that. Now it's all one lock. It won't come apart. There's no two pieces. It's not split in half or anything. And so I've seen where somebody has went on there and added hair to make it even as far as the thickness going down the braid. But I haven't did anything like that yet because I don't want anybody else's hair in my head. So again, I just go in and out. And you only have to do this one time. I'm just doing it again just to make sure. But this is the quickest and the fastest way that I have learned to for surely lock them together. Because at first, like I said, I was just holding them side by side and just pulling them in like that. This is so much easier and quicker. And there you go. I have one lock now instead of two. And you see there's no separation. There's no gaps. I can't pull it apart or anything. It just took off that little knot that was on the end. That fell off. But that was bound to come off anyway because it was just hanging on by a strand of hair. All right, let me know what you think. Comment, like, and subscribe. And again, if you are interested in me locking your hair, if your loctician can't get you in, again, I am interested in locking hair. Of course, I'm not certified and I do not have a certificate, but I have done my own hair. And I'm thinking about getting a certificate for natural hair. All right, so let me know. Have a great day.
Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover.